Hello, true believers. It's time to install those shelves that I've always been talking about. Decided to do this morning and decided to do it before I had breakfast so I can just get this done out of the way. Okay, I'm probably gonna do this in two parts because I hate editing because I don't have the laptop that I have is too slow for it and it takes forever. Just gotta transfer the file. Then after you transfer the file, that takes forever. You gotta load it into the editing and that takes forever for it to render, and then after rendering just save. Versus if I just take it with this, if I just take it in one take, then I just upload it, no editing, no bother, no, just one step. Just take it, upload it, put a title on it, done. So it's gonna be, so this is the bathroom that I'm gonna be. There's no mirror, as you could see. There's no towel holder, and I just been putting this off because this is just like a guest bathroom. I mean, it's hardly used, so there was no desire, there was no pressure to put it, but the boss has been asking me, she's been asking me, so I decided, okay, I'm gonna do it now. So we got a towel holder over here, so we can put it right here up against this wall and this corner, and then we got this mirror with a shelf. So let's do an unboxing here of this. So this towel holder, as you can see, is $10, 469 pesos, $10 for a towel holder. Check it out. And then this one is a mirror with a glass shelf, so we'll just put it right there. And this thing is 1,034 pesos, which is $20. So that's what it looks like. Mirror and glass shelf. That's it. Pretty basic for $20. There's probably cheaper mirrors out there. Actually, after we saw this, we already got it. We saw like other mirrors, buy one take one. But I said, this is already here. And for any job, you need the proper tools. So I've got this drill, which I actually bought. This is a new Black & Decker drill, which is very expensive. I think it's like $100 for this Black & Decker here. And this was the only one they had available when I was looking for a drill, because my drill disappeared when I was in prison. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe the police took it, I don't know. They took a lot of things. But the drill, so I had to get a new drill. So it's a new Black & Decker drill. So that's what I'm going to be using for this job over here to put up the mirror and the shelf. So this is going to be a do-it-yourself. So let me continue. I'm going to do the unboxing here. So this is from like the Home Depot here. I forgot the name. So as you can see, there's a shelf. So this is, try to do this one hand without breaking it. So you already saw this is just like a basic glass shelf. So like I said, this bathroom is hardly used. So it took me years to finally do this. Well, it took me years because I was in prison. Now that I'm out of prison, I figured you won't seize the day. Stop procrastinating so much. No, it's not like I'm procrastinating. I mean, I'm always doing something. Usually I'm doing something with the kids every day. So that's why. So let's just do this unboxing. Then after the unboxing, I'll go ahead and, without breaking it, what I need is one of those. And there it is. Here's a mirror. So it doesn't even have a frame. It just hooks onto the wall like that. So let's do it yourself. Installing shelves, and I got my drill. So let's do this. So the next video you'll see after this is the mirror install.